Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to make some cauliflower tacos for Taco Tuesday. So this is a very easy and delicious recipe. It takes me about maybe 40 minutes to make, and to feed a family of 5 I'm going to be using 2 heads of cauliflower, and then I'm just going to cut them into small or bite-sized pieces. Alright, so once we already added our spices into the cauliflower as well as washing our hands, and that is because of this part here, we are going to mix this really well. Now if you're not comfortable with this part here using your hands, you can totally use a spatula or a spoon or whatever you have to mix it, but I find it that if we use our hands, just the whole sauce and the spices work really well, and it just mixes really well just using my hands, I find it. And then we're just going to place it onto a cookie sheet in the pan, and then we're going to move it into the oven and set the oven to 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Alright, so we have 5 more minutes before our cauliflower is done. So before that, I'm going to warm up some flour tortillas. You can totally use whole grain or any type of tortilla you prefer. But as for me and my family, we love the taste of the flour tortilla with the cauliflower tacos, but totally your choice. So once the flour tortillas are done, it's like right in time for our cauliflower, and it is ready. And just look at this, you guys. Like, doesn't it look so good and tasty and juicy? Like, let me tell you, it was so good. The right amount of tenderness to the cauliflower, the juices in this, just everything, you guys. You're gonna love it.
Probably does.
Then let me know how it tastes.
Let me just fix this. There we go. That's a spicy flavor.
It's too spicy?
Oh, it is spicy.
That's good. All right, so we are at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you do try this easy, tasty recipe, and let me know how you like it or if it was just too spicy for you. But either or, I want to know, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye, guys.